How to verify Apple ID email on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the super simple process of verifying your Apple ID email address on your iPhone in 2025. It's really quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see your name and picture. Tap on that to access your Apple ID settings. Here you find Sign In and Security. Tap on that. This is where you'll manage all the important security stuff for your Apple ID. Under the Sign In and Security section, you'll see a list of your email addresses. Check if it says Verified next to your email. If it does, you're good to go. If not, let's get it verified. If your email isn't already there, or if you need to add a new one, tap on Add Email or Phone Number. Then simply enter the email address you want to use and tap Continue. Now switch over to your email app like Gmail, Yahoo, or Apple Mail. You should have a new email from Apple with the subject line, Verify your Apple ID or email address. Open that email and you'll see a verification link. Just tap on that link to confirm your email address. Sometimes you might get a 6-digit code instead of a link. If that happens, just copy the code. If you got a code, head back to the Settings app and paste it into the verification field. You might also be asked to enter your Apple ID password just to be extra secure. Now go back to your Apple ID settings in the Settings app, and you should see that your email address is now verified. No more annoying messages. So there you have it. Verifying your Apple ID email is super easy and only takes a few minutes. Now you can enjoy all your favorite Apple services without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.